Hey guys, we're back here with some more PLO action. I actually wanted to go over a big hand that I just played. It didn't actually go so well for me, but I thought it was a really interesting spot, and I thought it'd be a good chance to discuss a good PLO hand. So uh, what I did was I just wrote up this little document here, and I wrote it kind of in a quiz format. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to throw this video up now, discussing the hand, just kind of discuss how it was played out. I'm not really going to comment on, the actions taken in the hand yet. I'm just going to discuss what happened, and then this will give you guys a chance to watch the video and think about it and think how you might have played in this spot. And then in another couple days I'll throw up another video after I think about this hand more carefully and kind of see if I played the hand correctly or not. Alright, so you guys know I like to play 6 max PLO on Bovada, 10 cent, 25 cent. So that's what I was playing, and I was in the cutoff position, and both players in front of me folded, and so I woke up with 6-6-5-4 double suited. Alright, and I decided to pot it in the cutoff, so I made it 85 cents to go, and the button, the small blind, and the big blind all called. So we see a flop with 340 in the pot, and the flop comes out 2, 10, 3 rainbow, giving me the 12 card nut straight draw. Normally 13 card nut straight draw, but I have 2 sixes in my hand, so I have one of my own outs there, so that's not great, but still a really strong nut straight draw. Okay, and so small blind and the big blind both check to me on the flop, and I decide to pot it. Alright, so you can think about whether that would be the correct play there. And so the button and the small blind both fold, and then the big blind check raises, pretty much check raises the pot. So raises to $12, which would leave it, it would make it $8.60 for me to call there, and he's only got $8 behind. Alright, so you can think about what you would do in that spot. You can fold, call, or raise. And so I decided to call there, and so the pot swells to 27.40, and queen on the turn, so he shoves his last $8 in, and I call it, and he's got this garbage hand, a set of twos, and then queen on the river gives him the full house. He didn't need the full house. The set was good. I just needed to hit my straight, and so I lost the hand. And so obviously the question I'm asking myself is, was my call on the flop good? Right? Was that a good call or not? So you can think about this. You know, so I've got all the numbers in here written down nicely. You can crunch a little bit of math and see if I was getting the right odds there. Also, I really like to endorse this Slice EV++ equity calculator. It's really helpful. I use it all the time, and I think if you use that, it really makes the math straightforward, and you can definitively say whether that call was good, given that you know his hand now. These questions are a little more subjective, but for sure you can determine whether the math was right on the call there with bottom set against net straight draw. All right, so yeah, and I'll throw this document up there on in the links, so check out the description, and I'll get back to you in a couple days with some more discussion on this.